Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So our bed, it's in the booth. I just got done spraying it. I've got the cab over here. I've got to go ahead and prep it and get it masked to go in the booth. In the middle of all this, we had a FJ Cruiser get towed in. Hit a deer earlier. I don't know if it's going to total or not. It's like 07, so it is a little older, but I think they kind of hold their value a little bit. So y'all check out the damage, and we're going to go ahead and start getting this thing tore apart and being able to write an estimate on it. So that was a little bit more aggravating than I thought it was going to be, which that's my first FJ Cruiser I've ever got to work on in my life. So that's pretty cool. But there's a lot of damage. Y'all check this out. So it needs a fender, needs the whole front behind the headlight support. I think it called it an upper tie bar in the system, but I'm just going to call it a whole radiator support. Brackets, radiator, condenser, lines, all those other brackets. The reinforcement, it don't look like it hurt it, but something did hit it right there. Anytime there's something like structural or safety like that, I always err on the side of caution, and I just get stuff because I'm not going to risk it being something structural like that, that's the strength of it when something hits. I'm not going to risk it being damaged if it ever did get hit again. So now what I got to do is wrap up my estimate, go ahead and turn it into the insurance company and wait to hear from them. It might total. I got a feeling that it's going to because of how old it is and how many miles it has on. I think it's got like 300,000 miles, which Toyota, that's not to be expected. Things run forever. But we'll turn in. Hopefully we get to fix it because I've never got to paint a FJ. I've never got to work on a FJ in my life, so this will be a first one for me. I'll let you guys know as soon as I hear something. Thank y'all for watching.